सुस्वागतम, सुनीता का प्यार भरा नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल। आउट एंड अबाउट में आप सबका प्यार भरा स्वागत है। दोस्तों, आज का कार्यक्रम स्पेशल है। स्पेशल इसलिए क्योंकि आज का कार्यक्रम हम आपके लिए लेके आ रहे हैं हिंदुस्तान के गुजरात राज्य के खूबसूरत शहर अहमदाबाद से, जहां पर हो रहा है एक शानदार उद्घाटन श्री स्वामी नारायण म्यूजियम का। और खुशी की बात तो ये है कि इस कार्यक्रम में यूके और यूरोप से भी बहुत सारे हरिभक्त शामिल हैं। सो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, सिट बैक, रिलैक्स एंड एंजॉय दिस स्पेशल शो। कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत हुई एक पोथी यात्रा से।
मला कलड़ी ने पेरी छेचा खलड़ी, धीरे धीरे पगला धरता रे,
धीरे धीरे पगला धरता रे।
हाथ माला कलड़ी ने पेरी छेचा खलड़ी, धीरे धीरे पगला धरता रे। त्रिभुवन आनंद करता रे, मारो नाथ पधार्या रे।
नाथ पधार्या, मारो नाथ पधार्या, नाथ पधार्या रे। त्रिभुवन आनंद करता रे, मारो नाथ पधार्या रे।
सज करी छे वेर्या छे फूलड़ा फरता रे। त्रिभुवन आनंद करता रे, मारो नाथ पधार्या रे।
नाथ पधार्या, मारो नाथ पधार्या, नाथ पधार्या रे।
As you know, it's just the opening of the Swaminarayan Museum. We have incorporated a lot of things, not just museum and the basic artifacts used by Swaminarayan Bhagwan himself. But more than that, we have put a step further than that. We have started a project under the same banner, which is known as Preservation Plus, which supports the green environment and supporting it to a level where we preserve not just nature, but our ethics, our values, our culture and tradition. And I think this will give another level of thought to the process of the way that people are thinking, not just in India, abroad and everywhere. And it gives an edge for our satsang to go to the masses and not just keep it to the temple, but beyond the temple, in order to pass this message to the world, to preserve our culture, heritage, tradition, and also the artifacts of Swaminarayan Bhagwan. We also have something which is education in terms of organ donation. We have the Shatayu Foundation doing that. So we have incorporated religion with humanity, and we are very proud of it. And it's nice that all of you and all the satsangis around the world have come down to celebrate all these things. Thank you.
Sajanand Swami Maharaj, Swami Narayana. It's very good. Everyone's working very hard for this. From couple of years, everyone was waiting for this moment, and hopefully everyone would like the museum, and everyone's still working harder for everything. So it's just the effort of all the satsangis, and may Lord Swaminarayan bless all the satsangis, and they work more and more harder. That's all.
हंसता रमता हेत रे वधारता हरिजन नामन हरता रे
हरिजन नामन हरता रे
हंसता रमता हेत रे वधारता हरिजन नामन हरता रे त्रिभुवन आनंद करता रे मारो नाथ पधार्या रे
नाथ पधार्या मारो नाथ पधार्या रे त्रिभुवन आनंद करता रे मारो नाथ पधार्या रे
हाँ, ये बहुत अच्छी बात है कि आज म्यूज़ियम हमारे लिए हमारे एक सामने आ रहा है, जिसमें भगवान की सारी चीज़ें हमें देखने मिलेगी। शायद ये नवयुवान की पीढ़ी में नहीं लिखा होगा कि आप भगवान की कुछ चीज़ें देखें, मगर शायद हमारे नसीब कुछ ही लोगों के अच्छे होते हैं कि भगवान की उस चीज़ों को आप लोग देख सके। तो हमें श्योर उस म्यूज़ियम में एक बार तो कम से कम जाना ही होगा। एक समय आप मंदिर मत जाइए, मगर म्यूज़ियम तो ज़रूर जाइए, क्योंकि भगवान की कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें जो हमें देखनी चाहिए, हमें महसूस करनी चाहिए, वो वहाँ देखने मिलेगी।
I'm full of joy and just amazement with the beautiful setup and the entire preparation to inaugurate the celebration of the first ever, world's first Sri Swaminarayan Museum. And I'm just full of happiness that I could be in the attendance and participate in such an event that is significant to not only the fellowship, but is going to be a monument in the world, that Sri Swaminarayan Museum, for all to enjoy.
Well, actually, when it came down to the celebration, I was actually totally against it. Basically, what we have inherited is we never want an individual to be weighed in such a manner. The concept that appealed to me was that whatever we are gathering in terms of silver, ore and cash is to be donated to the museum. And as you know, that it is very important for us to preserve the artifacts, preserve the artifacts of Swaminarayan Bhagavan, plus even to the extent of preservation of nature, environment, ethics, everything. The best thing is that whatever small donation that came in, maybe that came via us, or via Santos, or via Haribhaktos, goes to this noble cause. This is the only reason why I agreed to something which is totally against what I feel my values or my ethics are. But end of the day, if it is good for the mandir, it is good for a purpose which is helping humanity, I wouldn't mind going for it.
What wonderful, beautiful and colorful costumes. No doubt, a lot of hard work has been put in by these artists. अभी तो बहुत सारा मनोरंजन देखना बाकी है, मगर एक छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद, so don't go away, stay tuned.